Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate actions. Check for Windows or Mac OS updates and reboot if needed, because many driver issues clear after a restart. Next, inspect the Ethernet or USB adapter and cable firm seating matters. Open Device Manager or Network Preferences, then disable any power-saving option for the adapter so the system won't suspend it. Once done, run a quick connection test to see if drops persist before moving to driver and configuration changes. Now you'll handle the middle steps that usually fix intermittent disconnects. Update the network driver from the device maker or rollback a recent driver if problems began after an update. Reset your network stack by running netch commands to reset TCP/IP, release and renew the IP, and flush DNS cache. These clear corrupted settings. While testing, monitor Event Viewer or system logs for hints. Look for repeated error codes or disconnect timestamps. Make configuration changes one at a time, then retest to identify the exact cause. Finish by verifying hardware isolation and applying advanced fixes. Try another adapter or port and connect to a different network to confirm whether the issue is hardware or environment related. If auto-negotiation causes instability, manually set speed and duplex to match the switch or router. Reinstall or reset router firmware if multiple devices drop. If problems persist, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to rule out software interference. If that fixes it, refine rules rather than leaving protection off. Troubleshooting tip: keep a working USB adapter handy to compare behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.